would anybody call me a hero? No. What I need is my own mech suit to show these plebeians how fragile their meaningless existence is.
Dude, dark.
Sorry, I haven't had my morning coffee yet. I always get so cranky-wanky. Look at this thing. Deflector shields, tractor beams, lasers, power windows. This is my Ninth Symphony. No batteries, but I just charged the thing. I guess all these features are using too much juice. I bet those power windows put me over the top.
May I suggest you simply remove some features?
May I suggest I simply remove your head?
Eggman seems despondent.
Probably has jury duty or something.
Well, I'm gonna go talk to him.
Our dynamic with Eggman is very confusing.
Really? 'Cause as far as I know, this is how grown men and tween animal people always interact.
What's wrong, Eggman?
Oh, the usual. Built the best mech suit literally ever, and can't find an awesome enough power source to handle it.
Wish I could help you, but since you're probably building this thing to destroy us, I don't think helping is in my best interest. But maybe there's someone else you can talk to.
Oh, like I'm just gonna run into someone who understands the ups and downs of mech suit ownership.
I'm just sick of Sonic winning all the time.
Tell me about it, Broseph. It's as if we're not allowed to win. Like there's a strict set of formulaic guidelines.
Sigh. And my mech suit would beat him every time if I could just get to the Tummel Crystal.
Tomohoha, what?
The legendary Tummel Crystal. That thing could power any mech suit. It's believed to be buried in the catacombs deep below the Buddy Buddy Temple, so... Oh well.
Too bad about that. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to get something other than the Tummel Crystal. Like a potato or something. Don't follow me!
Warning. Incoming magnetic pulsar. AI malfunction imminent. Will I dream? Eggman.
Oh, perfect. The nitwits. Oh, great cyborg centaur. Please spare our worthless lives. All right, fine. I won't destroy you, but you must swear eternal servitude to me.
Done and done. Now, as is custom in our culture, we will polish and shine your glorious metal butt.
That's okay. My metal bum is shiny already. What I really want is for you to help me find the legendary Tummel Crystal, which is buried deep within these cave walls.
Well, that sounds like a lot of work.
I don't care how you get it done, but it's the only thing I want. Oh, and an awesome cape. And maybe a hat.
Sonny, just admit it. We're lost.
Trust me, I know where to go.
Wait, this is Gogoba Village.
Okay, maybe you shouldn't have trusted me. We better split before we get Gogobud into doing something annoying.
It's kind of weird, but the place looks empty.
Except for me. But of course I don't count. Chopped liver is my middle name. I'd change it, but the county clerk was taken away by Froglodites, along with everyone else.
That's terrible.
Oh, I'll be fine. And I'm sure my friends and relatives are thrilled to be captured and put to work in the mines. I'll just enjoy the quiet, while all that my civilization created is lost to time.
Okay, we get it. We'll save them and bring them home. Told ya.
This hammer is so heavy.
That's why you're doing it and not me!
And the rocks are so hard to break.
Of course they're hard to break! They're rocks!
Can I ask a question?
No!
How was I supposed to know?
That's a question! You're the worst servants! Guards, seize them!
Both of them?
Yes! Both of them!
I just wanted to know if we're supposed to fill out time cards.
Time cards? What part of eternal servitude don't you understand? So, how's that mining going?
These Gogobas can't do anything.
Well, someone's gotta dig up my tumble crystal, and it's either gonna be them or you.
Very well.
Back to work!
But we're on break.
Break!
Oh, well, we tried, poor Gogobas.
Come on, we have to save them.
I know.
Ow! Why was that grape a coconut?
Great Lord Metal, the tumble crystal is within our reach.
Once I have that, my power will be limitless.
Sounds like it's time for old Sonic to step in.
We should be fine, as long as there aren't any booby traps.
Smooth move, Fox Boy.
Ah, Sonic the Hedgehog. Snooping as usual, I see. Seize them!
Aw.
Be careful with that. It's not insured when someone else is using it.
Hey, I found the tumble crystal.
Oh, yeah! Crystal me, baby!
We gotta do something, like, now.
If I can talk that Gogoba into giving me back my hammer, I can bust us out of here. I just have to use a little reverse psychology.
Great idea. I always want to do the opposite of what you tell me. But that might be more my problem than yours.
I can't believe how strong you are. I bet I couldn't even lift that hammer.
Huh, nonsense. Women's equality and all that. You go right ahead, little lady.
Hey, you're not a magic flying father figure. You're just like us.
Well, time to cause mayhem.
Oh.
Hail to the king, baby!
We're bumping with the flavor now.
Fire missile. Engage tractor beams. Goodbye, Sonic. No! I guess we're all going down together in a blaze of glory. Where's that self-destruct button? Yeah, power windows were a mistake.
No! Stop bowing! Don't you see? Look how easily this man tricked you into doing his bidding. You need to think critically for yourselves and not waste your lives bowing to false kings.
He's right. Counter him.